Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this really exceptional 1972 Ford Bronco. But before I do, I'd just like to ask if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to our video channel. You can do that by clicking on the little red button in the lower right hand corner of the screen that says subscribe on it. That way you get to see previous videos, and also you're notified when a new video is posted. So anyway, besides that plug, here's this gorgeous Bronco. Here's the story on this Bronco, owned by a gentleman who lived here in Laguna Beach that recently passed away, and we're selling it for his family. This was the guy's pride and joy. He spent years restoring it. It has 9,609 miles on the odometer, which I believe is from since he restored it. What is neat about this, it comes with the Marty report, which is the shows the vehicle, how it was equipped. It originally came with the 302 with the dual fuel tanks, power steering. This now has four-wheel disc brakes. The paint is good. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Engine looks like brand new. Has a Hydroboost brake system. Good idea on these. Power steering, power disc brakes, all stock. Excuse me, hay fever. Other than a few modifications, you got these American racing wheels, dual tanks here, swing away spare, has the seat and back, or seat belts, factory hardtop. It's removable, really clean as a whistle, no rust at all. There is some surface rust because the gentleman who owned this lived about 2 blocks from the ocean, but he kept it in his garage. I got it out of there yesterday. Beautiful. So I'll put this back. It also comes with this huge pile of stuff, new and used parts. This is a fairly rare console, center console, which I think is pretty desirable. So anyway, there's tons more parts, new and used. We're going to go for a quick drive. I have a lot of photos underneath the vehicle, and it's just as clean. There it is on top. So it's a 3-speed with a high and low 2, and then a high, high 2-wheel drive, high and low 4-wheel, kind of the standard deal back in the day. Everything works that I've checked: the heat, the lights, defrost. The parking brake, power steering. This thing fires up right away. This thing feels tight as a drum. You know, you drive a lot of these and they're half worn out. This thing is like new. It looks like a brand new or brand rebuilt cluster there. Gauges all work. It's a little handful to drive with one hand and shift, but it drives out really nice, goes down the road straight. You know, it's a short wheelbase, high center of gravity, so it's no sports car, but this drives as good as these ever drove. Very comfortable driving. You know, this thing is solid with absolutely no rust. Stops straight, probably way better than it did when it was new, because this now has 4-wheel disc brakes. So it has the aftermarket shifter handles, which I really like. It's clean. These things going in overly restored condition are going for crazy money. It shifts good. And it goes down the road nice and straight. So it looks like all the gauges work. We're going about 50-55 miles an hour. Engine runs just silky smooth. So we'll turn in here. So you can see we'll go so reverse works good. So if you look in the window in front of us, you see the blinkers work. Now these are where this is the light in here works. That's the headlight. I'm not sure, I imagine that's a light in back. So let's review. This is a 1972 Ford Bronco, fully restored about 9,600 miles ago. Smog exempt in California, clean California title. Really a nice truck. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.